is Free Gamer. Welcome back to Rain World. We're continuing on where we last left off with We're starting off the next campaign, Spearmaster. Now, I'm actually kind of worried. We have to deal with the Nemesis now, and because of how early we are in the timeline, the Nemesis replaces red lizards. And red lizards, as you know, go extinct after Hunter, and we will rarely see them. However, we have to deal with these guys now, so I just hope I don't get ripped apart in seconds. Ah. Okay, I guess we're starting off right here. So, how do we beat Spearmaster? So we start off at Outskirts. Spearmaster, come to 5 pebbles, look to the moon, and then go to Sky Islands. Shouldn't be that hard. Luckily enough, Outskirts is an area that I'm very familiar with. Guess I'm going this way. Oh yeah. I don't think it works properly. Oh. Yeah, I can't see anything. I think I might turn off Infinite Spears after this episode. Oh, there it goes. That's because I notice it's kind of getting in the way. Hey, with Spearmaster in particular. Like, see, it gets in the way. Hey, how I can't create spears when I have on my back. Okay, so this one's gonna be a shorter one. So I'm gonna get to a shelter, save, and get there. Okay. Now, the Nemesis, let me explain some things about the creature. It doesn't attack other Nemesis lizards. It's completely friendly, and it will in fact pack with them. They use they have all the lizard abilities, so that guy is going to be a massive threat if we encounter it. I missed that. But if I can probably nail a hit, I get 99 food points from him. See how it prevents me from creating new ones? go. Now I can hibernate. Oh, I just can't eat fruit. Ooh, this pearl. Oh, I forgot to turn on the rain multiplier. I notice smaller creatures don't give me nearly as much compared to larger creatures like that noodlefly. Oh, hey, look! This is where Survivor's campaign starts. I need to find... See how it stops me from creating new ones? I at least want to get to a new shelter, to at least one shelter, so I can save, turn off infinite back spears. There we go. Just in time. Plenty of time to spare as well. Because I can always create new ones. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on some of the stuff that I will need.